Yeah, Tom, I need to go get something.
I don't even like
No, it's okay.
footballs.
We go get football.
I don't like football.
You don't like football.
Could you turn the light on? I'm
Yes,
getting a
light.
bit scared.
Ah, what the fuck?
Oh look! Is it Nana oatmeal?
Nani? What?
Nana?
That is not Nana. What the fuck is this shit?
Why are you mocking me, you stupid wall? Why are you mocking me? Why are you mocking me?
Is this real? Is this a real?
Why is it mocking me?
Is this? Ah, it's a dartboard.
Why are they?
No, you are mocking
Why
me.
are they mocking
You are
me?
mocking me now.
My mummy is.
Oh.
Oh look!
Oh shit.
My broom.
You.
Why is the light?
No.
Why is the light turning blue?
We need to find out who he is.
Why is the light?
We need to find out who this man
Why
is.
is the light turning blue?
I swear to God, I will kill you.
I'm going home. You are no longer my friend. You are no longer my friend.
Who are you? No, who are you? I swear to God, I will shit in your face.
You are no longer my friend.
Shit in your eyes.
I'm going home now. I'm going home now.
He has a very stupid name. His name is Jigsaw.
That is my mother's name.
His name is Jigsaw. Where the fuck is he going? This motherfucker thinks he can get out.
Excuse me.
Leave us.
Where do you think he's going? Trying to get out again? He's trying to get out again. He's trying to get out again. He's trying to get out again. Can I come round your house one time? What's going on here? What's going on? What's going on?
He's dead.
He's dead. He's dead.
It is good.
He's dead. This is a Tom and Sam Milford production.
Bring me the Horizon Show!